Hey there, ensuring your Visual Studio Code extensions are always up to date is essential for smooth performance and access to the latest features. Manually updating extensions can be time-consuming, but enabling automatic updates simplifies the process and keeps everything running seamlessly. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to enable auto-update for extensions in VS Code, so you never miss an update again. Stick around and let's dive right in. To enable automatic updates for extensions in Visual Studio Code, follow these steps. Click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner. Select Settings in the search bar at the top of the Settings tab. Type Update. Ensure the checkbox next to Extensions. Auto Update is checked. This will automatically update all installed extensions whenever updates are available. And that's how you enable automatic updates for your extensions in Visual Studio Code. It's a simple step to ensure your tools stay updated with the latest features and fixes. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.